tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to save money and live a more frugal lifestyle? In this video, we'll share 53 practical tips to help you save money and live a more fulfilling life without breaking the bank. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or a parent on a budget, these tips will help you make small changes that can have a big impact on your finances. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to live your best life while saving money with our 53 frugal living tips. Tip 1. Cut cable. Consider canceling your cable subscription and using streaming services instead. You can save a lot of money by only paying for the services you actually use and eliminating the channels you don't watch. Tip 2. Live within your means. Create a budget and stick to it. It's important to track your income and expenses to make sure you're not overspending. You can also try to find ways to increase your income or reduce your expenses to live within your means. Tip 3. Buy generic. Many generic products are just as good as their brand name counterparts, but they are often cheaper. Compare prices and try generic versions of your favorite products to save money. Tip 4. Pantry cleanout. Take some time to go through your pantry and get rid of any expired or unused items. This will help you see what you have and avoid buying duplicates. You can also make a meal plan based on what you already have on hand, which can save you money on groceries. Tip 5. Grocery shop once a week. Grocery shopping once a week can help you save money by reducing the number of trips you make to the store, which can minimize impulse purchases. Before heading to the store, make a list of what you need for the week and stick to it. Avoid shopping when you're hungry, as this can lead to purchasing unnecessary items. Look for sales, use coupons, and take advantage of store loyalty programs to save money on your weekly grocery bill. Tip 6. Pack snacks. Bringing your own snacks with you when you're on the go can save you money and prevent impulse purchases. Pack snacks such as fruit, nuts, granola bars, and cut-up veggies to have on hand when you get hungry. This can help you resist the urge to stop at convenience stores or fast food restaurants, which tend to be more expensive. Tip 7. Don't use fabric softener. Fabric softeners can be expensive, and they often contain chemicals that can be harmful to the environment. Instead of using fabric softener, try using white vinegar in the rinse cycle of your washing machine. This can help soften your clothes and reduce static cling without the use of chemicals. Tip 8. Use a printer that takes generic ink. Generic ink cartridges are often significantly cheaper than branded ones. Look for a printer that takes generic ink cartridges, and you can save money on printing costs over time. Be sure to do some research on the quality of the generic ink before purchasing to ensure that it won't damage your printer. Tip 9. Reuse a backpack. Rather than buying a new backpack every year, consider reusing one that you already own. A good quality backpack can last for years, especially if you take good care of it. If your backpack is still in good condition, there's no need to buy a new one. Tip 10. Don't buy bottled water. Buying bottled water can be expensive and bad for the environment. Instead, invest in a reusable water bottle and fill it up with tap water. This can save you money and reduce plastic waste. If you're concerned about the quality of your tap water, consider investing in a water filtration system. Tip 11. Make your own beauty products. Making your own beauty products can be a great way to save money and reduce waste. You can easily make your own shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face wash, and other beauty products using natural ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter, essential oils, and more. There are many recipes available online and in books that can guide you through the process of making your own beauty products. Tip 12. Use reusable bags instead of plastic. Using reusable bags instead of plastic bags is a great way to reduce waste and save money. Many stores now offer reusable bags for purchase, or you can bring your own bags from home. Reusable bags are typically made from durable materials like canvas or nylon and can be used over and over again. By using reusable bags, you can help reduce the amount of plastic waste in the environment. Tip 13. Use public libraries instead of buying books. Instead of buying books, consider borrowing them from your local library. Public libraries offer a wide variety of books and other materials that you can borrow for free. This can be a great way to save money on books, especially if you are an avid reader. In addition to books, many libraries also offer movies, music, and other materials that you can borrow. Tip 14. Participate in clothing swaps. Clothing swaps are a great way to refresh your wardrobe without spending any money. To participate in a clothing swap, simply gather up any clothes that you no longer wear or want and bring them to a swap event. At the event, you can exchange your clothes for new-to-you items that others have brought. Clothing swaps are a fun way to meet new people, save money, and reduce waste. Tip 15. Use cash instead of credit cards. Using cash instead of credit cards can be a great way to control your spending and save money. When you use cash, you can physically see how much money you have left, which can make it easier to stick to a budget. Credit cards can be tempting to use because they allow you to spend money that you don't have, which can lead to debt and financial stress. By using cash, you can avoid these problems and stay on track with your finances. Tip 16. Reduce energy consumption. There are many ways to reduce energy consumption at home, such as turning off lights and electronics when they're not in use, using energy-efficient light bulbs, and adjusting your thermostat to conserve energy. You can also reduce energy consumption by using natural light and airflow to your advantage, and by using appliances like washing machines and dishwashers during off-peak hours. Tip 17. Make your own gifts. Instead of buying expensive gifts, consider making your own. This can be a great way to save money and show your loved ones that you care. Some ideas for DIY gifts include homemade candles, bath bombs, and baked goods. Tip 18. Use reward programs to save money. Many stores and credit cards offer reward programs that can help you save money on future purchases. These programs typically offer cash back points or other incentives for making purchases. Be sure to take advantage of these programs whenever possible to save money. Tip 19. DIY home decor. Instead of buying expensive home decor items, consider making your own. There are many DIY home decor projects that are easy and inexpensive, such as painting furniture, making your own curtains, and creating your own wall art. This can be a great way to personalize your space and save money at the same time. Tip 20. Allow yourself small ticket items. While it's important to save money, it's also important to treat yourself every once in a while. Allowing yourself to purchase small ticket items like a favorite snack or a new book can help you stay motivated and stick to your frugal living plan. Tip 21. Buy fruits and veggies in season. Seasonal produce is often cheaper and tastes better than out-of-season produce that has been shipped from far away. Buying fruits and vegetables in season can help you save money and support local farmers. Tip 22. Get reusable water bottles for your family. Bottled water can be expensive and is also harmful to the environment. Instead of buying bottled water, invest in reusable water bottles for your family. This will not only help you save money but also reduce your plastic waste. Tip 23. Recycle and reuse. Recycling and reusing items can help you save money and reduce waste. Before throwing something away, consider if it can be recycled or repurposed for another use. Tip 24. Take advantage of free food in schools. Many schools offer free or reduced-price meals for students. If your child is eligible for these programs, take advantage of them to save money on groceries and help ensure your child gets the nutrition they need. Tip 25. Get board games at a thrift store. Buying new board games can be expensive, but you can save a lot of money by shopping at thrift stores. Many thrift stores have a section dedicated to board games, and you can often find classic games like Monopoly or Scrabble for a fraction of the price. Tip 26. Check off-peak hours with electricity. Many energy providers offer lower rates during off-peak hours. By shifting your energy usage to these times, you can save money on your energy bills. Consider running appliances like dishwashers and washing machines during off-peak hours to take advantage of lower rates. Tip 27. Eat leftovers. Leftovers are a great way to save money and reduce food waste. When you cook a meal, make extra portions and save the leftovers for lunch or dinner the next day. You can also freeze leftovers and enjoy them at a later date. Tip 28. Rotate streaming services. With so many streaming services available, it's easy to get caught up in subscribing to multiple services. However, subscribing to too many services can quickly add up. Instead, rotate your subscriptions and only pay for the services you're currently using. Tip 29. Use coupons and promo codes. Before making a purchase, always check for available coupons or promo codes. You can often find them by searching online or signing up for newsletters from your favorite stores. Using these codes can help you save money on everything from groceries to clothing. Tip 30. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. It's easy to sign up for subscriptions, like magazines or streaming services. But if you're not using them, they're just costing you money. Review your monthly expenses and cancel any subscriptions that you're not using. Tip 31. DIY home repairs. Minor home repairs can often be done yourself with a little research and effort. By tackling these repairs on your own, you can save money on labor costs and potentially increase the value of your home. Tip 32. Use cloth napkins instead of paper. Disposable paper products can quickly add up and contribute to waste. Consider switching to cloth napkins for a more eco-friendly and cost-effective option. You can wash and reuse them for years to come. Tip 33. Make coffee at home. Instead of buying coffee at a coffee shop, invest in a coffee maker and make coffee at home. You can save a lot of money by making your own coffee instead of buying it from a coffee shop every day. Tip 34. Use a reusable coffee filter. Instead of using paper coffee filters, switch to a reusable coffee filter. Not only is it more environmentally friendly, but it can also save you money in the long run by not having to constantly buy paper filters. Tip 35. Cut down on meat consumption. Meat can be expensive, so try to incorporate more plant-based meals into your diet. Eating less meat can not only save you money, but it can also be better for your health and the environment. Tip 36. Shop at discount grocery stores. Look for discount grocery stores in your area that offer lower prices than traditional grocery stores. You can often find great deals on produce, meat, and other household items. Tip 37. Shop at thrift stores. Thrift stores can be a great place to find clothes, home decor, and other items at a fraction of the cost of buying new. You can often find unique and interesting items that you wouldn't find in traditional stores. Tip 38. Shop for clothes at the end of the season. Many stores offer steep discounts on clothing at the end of each season in order to make room for new inventory. Take advantage of these sales to get great deals on clothes for the next year. Tip 39. Sell items you no longer need. If you have items in your home that you no longer need or use, consider selling them to make some extra cash. You can sell items online through websites like eBay or Facebook Marketplace, or you can have a yard sale. Tip 40. Use a clothless line to dry clothes. Instead of using a dryer to dry your clothes, consider hanging them on a clothless line outside or inside. This can save you money on your energy bill, and it's also better for the environment. Tip 41. Don't waste food. Avoid throwing away food by planning your meals ahead, making a grocery list, and only buying what you need. Store leftovers properly and use them for future meals. Tip 42. Use public transportation or bike. Reduce your carbon footprint and save money on gas and car maintenance by using public transportation or biking whenever possible. Tip 43. Buy in bulk. Purchase non-perishable items in bulk to save money and reduce packaging waste. Be sure to only buy what you will use before the expiration date. Tip 44. Make your own cleaning products. Save money and reduce exposure to harsh chemicals by making your own cleaning products using simple household ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. Tip 45. Use energy-saving light bulbs. Replace incandescent bulbs with energy-saving compact fluorescent or LED bulbs to reduce energy consumption and lower your electric bill. Tip 46. Take care of your belongings to make them last longer. Properly maintain and repair your belongings, such as clothing, appliances, and electronics, to extend their lifespan and avoid costly replacements. Tip 47. Keep your car in good condition to avoid costly repairs. Regularly maintain your car by following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This can help prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your vehicle. Tip 48. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet. Keep track of your spending and set financial goals using a budgeting app or spreadsheet. This can help you make informed financial decisions and avoid overspending. Tip 49. Shop for deals on major purchases. When it comes to major purchases, it's important to do your research and compare prices. Look for sales and promotions, and consider waiting for holiday sales or other special events when prices may be lower. Additionally, consider purchasing pre-owned items, which can often be found at a discount. Tip 50. Bring your lunch to work/school. One way to save money on food is to bring your own lunch to work or school instead of eating out. This allows you to control the ingredients and portions, and can be a healthier option as well. You can also save time by preparing your lunch ahead of time and packing it in a reusable container. Tip 51. Borrow instead of buying. Instead of buying new items, consider borrowing them from friends or family or renting them from a service. This can be a great way to save money and reduce waste, especially for items that you may only need once or twice. Tip 52. Grow your own produce. Growing your own fruits and vegetables is not only a fun and rewarding hobby, but it can also save you money on groceries. You don't need a large space to start a garden, and you can grow a variety of produce in pots or small raised beds. Additionally, growing your own produce allows you to control the quality and use organic growing methods if desired. Tip 53. Subscribe to the Finance Bull.